Good morning, everyone. I hope everybody had a great weekend. We're going to get started today on our lesson. You're in my class, Mrs. Fretwell's seventh grade math class. Make sure you are in the right spot. All right, so here we go. So our objective today is to work on TEAC 7.3a, which is add, subtract, multiply, and divide rational numbers fluently. What we will do today in our class is we will add and subtract integer numbers using a number line model. What you will be expected to do by the time class is ended, you should be experts and you should be able to do the I will, which is I will be able to use a number line model to solve integer addition and subtraction problems. Easy peasy stuff. So let's get started. So I want to remind us about what we've been working on. The last few times that we've met, we've been working on classifying rational numbers. And this is really important because integers include our natural numbers, they include our whole numbers, but they do not include rational numbers, which are fractions, decimals, positive and negative. Remember, integers are positive and negative numbers, always. So looking at what we have here, are there any questions about how we classify our numbers? Everybody's with me? Questions? Great. We're going to go ahead and keep going on. So what I'd like for you to do in your notebooks is I would like you to make a copy of this number line. You don't have to put anything at the positive 3 or the negative 4, but I want your number line to be very similar, where it starts at 0 and on the positive side goes to 10 and on the negative side goes to negative 10. I'm going to give you a few moments to get that done. If you want to use different color pens or pencils, please do so that you have two distinguished parts to your integer number line. Give me a thumbs up, everybody, once you have that done. Looks like everybody is good. Let's see. Gage, are you good? Mason, looks like you're ready as well. I want to make sure I give everybody that opportunity to get those done. Some of you could even make a copy of this and put it into your notes so that you have it. I want to make sure everybody has that opportunity. All right, let's go ahead and move on. So if you look at this number line that you have, you see that you have a line, dotted line that's at 0, and it goes to negative 4. That's our starting point. So our equation is going to be negative 4, and because the other arrow is going to the right, that means we're adding. So our problem is going to be negative 4 plus 3. Can everybody please write that down for me? And give me a thumbs up when you have that ready. Awesome. Great job, everybody. All right, so our problem is negative 4 plus 3. So if you look at your number line, we start at 0, we go to negative 4. The arrow going to the right indicates that we are adding. So we're adding 3. So if we add 3 to negative 4, where do we end up at? Oh, it looks like Elijah has his hand up. Elijah, where would we end up at? Correct. Negative 1 is absolutely right. Okay. So the direction of the arrows is telling us either to add or subtract. Okay, let's look at another example. That's if Miss Fretwell can get it going. I'm going to move me for a minute. All right, so let's look at this equation. We have positive 2 plus a negative 6. So where are we going to start? Blaze, can you tell me where I'm going to start? That's right, we're going to start at 0. And we are going to go from 0 up and draw our arrow to positive 2. Okay, everybody got that? Now, if you notice, we are adding, but we're adding negative 6. So which direction, what are we really going to do? We can't add going to our right because then we would get a positive number. So what we have to do is we have to draw our arrow to the left, because truly in mathematic terms, when we add a negative number, and that negative number is larger than our positive number, we are truly subtracting. So we're going to start at positive 2. We're going to go to our left and we're going to go 6 spaces. So we're going to go to 1, 0, -1, -2, -3, -4. So we go 6 spaces, that would take us to -4. Questions? Okay, we're going to do some practice. I know this might look a little confusing, but we are going to do some practice together. So what I need you to do in your notes for me is I need you to write this down. I need you to write down that when you add, you're going to go to your right. Your arrow will go to your right. When we subtract, the arrow will go to the left. Great job, everyone. All right, let's continue. Again, I'm going to move myself so I can move my slides. All right, so here's our practice page. You have a copy of it already. We're going to look at this together. This is what we are going to accomplish today. And here we go. So our job in our I will was that we would use a number line model in order to solve addition and subtraction problems with integers. We are going to do the first page together. We're going to complete it together. I'm going to put people into small group and a breakout room if we need it, so that you can work on page 2 on your own or together with my help. Okay? Any questions? All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is where we would be in a breakout room, and I would pull in Matthew, Blaze, Kylie, and Adeline just to make sure they got the support they needed. I would also check in with Elijah and Jaden, who might in their IEPs have 4-function calculations that they could use. Grace, Mason, Josephina, and Luther would receive extra time, and I would make sure that they had a private message so that they knew that. This is my video. Thank you for watching.